A US Air Force colonel misspoke when describing an experiment in which an AI-enabled drone opted to attack its operator in order to complete its mission. Colonel Tucker Hamilton, Chief of AI Test and Operations in the US Air Force, was speaking at a conference organized by the Royal Aeronautical Society in London. The report about it went viral. The Air Force says no such experiment took place. In his talk, he had described a simulation in which an AI-enabled drone was repeatedly stopped from completing its task of destroying surface-to-air missile targets by its human operator. He said that in the end, despite having been trained not to kill the operator, the drone destroyed the communication tower so that the operator could no longer communicate with it. We have never run that experiment, nor would we need to in order to realize that this is a plausible outcome, Colonel Hamilton later clarified in a statement to the Royal Aeronautical Society. He added that it was a thought experiment rather than anything which had actually taken place. Initially, Hamilton said that an AI-enabled drone killed its human operator in a simulation conducted by the US Air Force in order to override a possible no order stopping it from completing its mission. Before Hamilton admitted he misspoke, the Royal Aeronautical Society said Hamilton was describing a simulated test that involved an AI-controlled drone getting points for killing simulated targets, not a live test in the physical world. After this story was first published, an Air Force spokesperson told that Air Force has not conducted such a test and that the Air Force officials' comments were taken out of context. There have been a number of warnings about the threat to humanity posed by AI, artificial intelligence, issued recently by people working in the sector, although not all experts agree how serious a risk it is.